guys, how are you all? Hope everyone is safe and healthy. After a long time I'm making these videos because doesn't have sufficient time due to workload. However, I'm back here again with the new thoughts and new ideas to explore Abu Dhabi. So today I'm here at Khalidiyah area. Khalidiyah area also is a prime location in Abu Dhabi where we have biggest mall, Khalidiyah Mall, also few corporate offices and supermarkets and restaurants. So people are living here, whoever is living here more than 2k salary or less than 2k salary, they cannot afford money on food items to purchase for every day. So after researching and all, and I have visited many of restaurants to find whichever is the best restaurant for affordable prices. So finally I found one restaurant which is Bangladesh restaurant. So it's not only especially for Bangladesh people, the whatever we have like biryanis and curries, everything is for affordable prices. So let's see, we will go there and we will have number of varieties, what's the prices, also that guy available mess, monthly mess. So we'll ask what's the prices and what and all he will give for monthly mess. 3 times foods also available, 2 times also available. Let's go there, we'll see what and all it's available there. Okay, let's go now to the Bangladesh restaurant. हाय सैफुल भाई, और यू सैफुल भाई, ये मैं ऐसे वीडियो निकाल रहा था. ओके, तो मैं ऐसे ही मतलब आपका जो मेस भी है ना, तो आपके पास क्या क्या आइटम्स मिलता है वो सब मैंने.
आपका फ्राइडे में मिलेगा हांडी बिरयानी है, नॉर्मल में चिकन बिरयानी, मटन बिरयानी, वाइट राइस है, इंडियन डिश भी है.
इंडियन डिशेस क्या क्या मिलता है?
इंडियन डिश में मटन करी मिलेगा, चिकन करी मिलेगा, मटन कसाई, चिकन दम बिरयानी है, बंगाली डिश है, फिश है, इलिश फिश, रुई.
आपके पास चाइनीज फूड भी मिलता है?
चाइनीज फूड लिटिल है, जैसा
क्या क्या है?
चिकन 65 मिलेगा, चिकन फ्राइड राइस मिलेगा, वेजिटेबल फ्राइड राइस, एग फ्राइड राइस.
फ्राइडे स्पेशल क्या मिलता है आपके पास?
एग फ्राइड राइस, मिक्स फ्राइड राइस, फिर आपका फिश बिरयानी मिलेगा, मटन बिरयानी, चिकन बिरयानी.
और आपके पास मेस भी है ना बैचलर्स के लिए?
मेस भी है.
कितना लेते हो?
रिटर्न का मेस है 430 है, 2 टाइम का है 330 है, और एक टाइम का भी है 180.
एक टाइम का कितना है?
180.
180. 130 है. हमको कुछ डिस्काउंट मिलेगा अगर कोई आएंगे तो इधर से?
इंशाल्लाह आपका तरफ से दिया जाएगा तो डिस्काउंट करने की कोशिश.
ओके, चलिए एक बार ये वीडियो भी ले लेता हूँ क्या क्या आपके पास मिलता है. ओके, और शाम में स्नैक्स क्या मिलता है आपके पास?
स्नैक्स है सिंगारा, समोसा, फिर एग पराठा, चाना, नूडल्स.
आपके पास रोल भी कुछ मिलता है? शवरमा ऐसा कुछ रोल मिलता है?
वेजिटेबल रोल, चिकन रोल.
वेजिटेबल रोल, चिकन मसाला मिलता है. तो यही आपका मेन्यू है? अच्छा, तो अंदर भी एक वीडियो ले लेते हैं. तो दिल्ली में कितने लोग आते हैं आपके पास अप्रोक्सीमेटली? 100 अबव आता है. 100.
कस्टमर भी है, 500, 600.
आपके पास ड्रिंक्स भी मिलते हैं?
कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स है, जूस वगैरह भी है.
चलिए अभी हम भी थोड़ा ऑर्डर करते हैं.
really it's very tasty. All items, whichever I have tasted, it's very tasty really, and it's especially the fish and the chicken tandoori. It's very tasty, and I would like to tell you this dish. When I was childhood, my mom used to prepare this one with small fishes, also with potatoes, especially this dal. I don't think so. Is that maybe it is some red gram something. It's very delicious. When I see this one, I remember my mom. Especially even the palak. It's very tasty. I really like this variety. This sweet also very tasty. Hi guys, just now we had this food, me and my colleague. The food was very tasty. Whichever he has given, it's very tasty really. And whichever you have seen which we had, that all cost only 50 dirhams. 2 people have sufficient, but still we cannot finish that one. That many variety of food items he has given. Also especially the fish. It's a rohu fish, and also whichever he has given like chicken tandoori, it's very tasty. As well as biryani and salad, whatever he has given, it's very tasty. I really like very much. Also, I have discussed with him that he will give monthly mess for bachelors who will come to this restaurant from our channel. He will give for only 400 dirhams. Before, as I discussed with him, he said 430, but whoever will come from our channel, he will give for only 400 dirhams. Nothing to say, you just come here and you can say my name Imran, they can give for this price.